What? What?
I think it's morning. Yes, I gotta show you guys something. Hold on. You ready for this?
Oh my God.
Crazy, eh? Oh. Do you hear all the roosters? Now, I met my fiance back in 2015. This is what she used to have to go through on Facebook. Yes, all the roosters quacking away in her private messages without any solicitation. One freaking guy from New York, let's just call him, I don't even want to know, I don't want to mention his name because he hates me with a passion, sending her, I already showed them, sending her private messages without her even knowing who he was. So I sent all the pictures back to his wonderful wife. That was a Merry Christmas back in 2016. Or 2015, sorry. I believe he's divorced now. I get private messages from him once in a while telling him how much he hates me. God bless him. You're gonna send private messages to my woman? I'm gonna send them back to your wife. Simple as that. Look at this. Well, good morning from Ackland. I love it here. Wow. This is our 6 a.m. wake-up call.
Woo!
I'll do, here, I'm gonna do this. Oh. He's just chilling out. I have no
Thank you for
complaints. I love it
watching.
here.